Hi everyone. My persuasive speech is about the value of a college degree. College is expensive. Student loans can be a burden for years after graduation. A bachelor's degree will usually take at least 4 years, and earning an advanced degree will take even longer. But research and data shows that a college education is absolutely worth it. Extensive research has found that a college degree improves earning power, unemployment rates, healthier lifestyles, and social opportunities. Today I will show you the value of a college degree and provide data that shows how a college education benefits us in multiple aspects of our lives. I will discuss how the increased earning power associated with higher education offsets the cost, how job satisfaction is more likely, and how quality of life can be expected to be better with a college education. There are so many benefits of a college education that justify the high cost of obtaining a degree. The first point I will discuss is why the cost of higher education should not be a deterrent. Our expected earnings and education level are directly connected, according to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics. They reported that the earnings of those with a bachelor's degree in 2015 averaged $1,137 per week, compared to those with only a high school diploma averaged only $678 per week. And we all know some degrees have a higher earning potential than others. When choosing a school to attend and selecting a major, it is a great idea to consider return on investment. There are many resources online to research college majors and ROI to determine how your cost of college will stack up against your earning potential. And college doesn't necessarily have to be as expensive as we think. There are many schools that are more affordable than others. Community colleges and state universities offer a quality education at a much lower cost than most private colleges. There are also many resources available to help pay for college, including scholarships, grants, and work-study opportunities. A college degree not only provides a higher income potential, but oftentimes leads to greater job satisfaction. Next, I would like to discuss how higher education offers better job opportunities. Research has shown that employees with a high level of job satisfaction describe themselves as happy. A Pew Research study concluded that 55% of college graduates reported being very satisfied with their jobs versus 40% of non-graduates. For workers with a master's degree or higher, that number climbs to 69%. Not only does a college degree offer better job opportunities, but most professional careers now require at least a bachelor's degree, and many even require a graduate level education. It has also been found that even with jobs that don't require a degree, employers will give preference to those with one, even over experience. Another benefit to greater job opportunities is job availability in areas where you may want to live. There are other benefits of a college degree than just job, income, and satisfaction. The third point I want to discuss is the other benefits afforded to college graduates. Colleges provide great networking opportunities. There are fraternities and sororities, clubs and social functions, as well as sports teams to meet new people. These all provide a possibility for lifelong friendships as well as possible future business connections. College also sometimes offers internships that can lead to mentorships and valuable connections in the student's field of study. College also offers exposure to diverse people and ideas that we may not get in our hometown or the workplace. This exposure gives the opportunity to learn about different cultures, religions, and personalities, which broadens our knowledge and perspectives. Earning a college degree is also a major life achievement that comes from a commitment to ourselves to enrich our lives. So these are some facts that point to the value of a college degree that will benefit us in multiple aspects of our lives. As we have learned today, college is expensive, student loans can be a burden for years, and earning a bachelor's degree or higher level degree can take 4 years or longer. But research and data show that a college education is absolutely worth it. I believe it is easy to agree that money spent obtaining a degree is justified by its many benefits.